Hey you guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kristen, and like I said, it is Saturday, y'all, so happy 5 off of 25 day. Let me know if you are couponing or if you plan on doing any type of couponing today at either Family Dollar or Dollar General. I am right outside of Dollar General. I think they open up in like 2 minutes, so I'm here early because I do have a busy day. So I want to get an early start. Also, y'all, there's some hot deals going on this week at Dollar General. Now I did post a video yesterday showing all digital deals. I have like 4 scenarios, but then I have like 2 variations just in case if you're out of one thing. So there's options. Definitely go check it out if you haven't. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing some couponing today. I'm excited. I want to get some gain. That's kind of like my focus today. So I'll be doing that. But of course, you know, I don't know. Hopefully my store is in stock, because I can say all day, okay, I'm gonna get this, this, and this. Then my store is out of stock, and then I'm looking crazy. So we don't know. Hopefully it's just gonna, I feel like it's gonna be a good day, so I'm gonna roll with that. That's all I really have for an intro, y'all. Like I said, I'm at Dollar General. I think I'm gonna go to Family Dollar. I don't really know. Honestly, it's not really the best week in my opinion, but if you have some old digitals, you can definitely still come out with a great deal. So it's up in the air. I guess we'll know. I don't know right now. So yeah, I'm just waiting for them to open. Like I said, I think we have like a minute. So I'm going to get my stuff together and wait for them to open up, and then we're gonna go in and do some shopping. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, as well as giving this video a huge thumbs up. And then of course, if at any point you have any questions, my comment section is always open. Don't be afraid to ask. No question is a dumb question. So yeah, let's do some couponing today. All right, you guys, so today's going to be a little different because 1, this store is low on stock, as well as 2, there are other couponers, so I just had to grab my items. Don't worry, y'all, you're still going to know everything there is to know, as well as coupons and totals. So this is one of the transactions that I'm going to do here today, picking up some Tide as well as Snuggle. So I have one of the big bottles of Tide. It is priced at $9.95, and we have a $2 digital. For the Snuggle is on sale 2 for $9 this week, and we have a $4 digital. But then I also picked up the Snuggle sheets, that's 40 count, priced at $2.25. We do have a $1.25 digital coupon. Now I'm gonna make sure that the cashier rings the sheets up first. That way that $1.25 coupon can attach to that and not the other Snuggle products. If it does attach to the other Snuggle products, we're gonna miss out on $4 in this transaction, and we don't want to do that. And then I also picked up some Crest priced at $4, and we have a $2 digital. So before coupons, the total is going to come out to $25.20. So we qualify to use that 5 off of 25 digital. Now this is an all digital deal. So once you type in your phone number and everything is applied, it's supposed to pay just $10.95 for these items, which is amazing. Now, when I got up to the front, I did notice that this store had Rolaids. Priced at $1.50, we have a $2 digital, which gave me 50 cents in overage. So for me, it made my final cost just $10.45, which is even better. So if your store has the Rolaids and you have that $2 digital coupon, throw it into the mix for an extra 50 cents in savings. Now here is another deal that I picked up here at Dollar General. The main goal again is some Snuggle, y'all. I love this stuff. And then I want to pick up some Dawn Power Wash. So I told you guys I picked up the Snuggle at $2.25 and used that $1.25 digital coupon. Picked up 2 more Snuggle products on sale this week, 2 for $9, and we have a 4 off of 2 digital. Making sure again that the cashier rings up the Snuggle sheets first. I picked up 2 of the Dawn refills, priced at $3.95. We have a $3.99 off of 2 coupon, making them $3.91 for both. And then I picked up 2 of the Febreze small spaces, didn't matter which scent, because I did use a paper BOGO coupon from the April P&G inserts. Now, if you don't have those inserts, don't worry. What you would do instead is pick up 2 of the Febreze sprays at $3, so it's the same price, and use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So before coupons, my total came out to $25.15. So yes, I qualify to use that 5 off of 25 digital coupon. Typed in my phone number and then all of the digitals applied, and then hand over the paper coupon for the $3, which should make your final cost just $7.91. So not bad, y'all, when we already have like $11 alone in Snuggle. So a very nice transaction. And then I have one more transaction that I picked up for Dollar General. And then another transaction here at Dollar General, this time taking advantage of the 5 off of 20 in gain with the 5 off of 25. It will stack. So I picked up a Gain product at $7.50. We have a $2 digital coupon. There are multiple items you can use with that coupon. Picked up a Gain product priced at $4.50. There's different items as well, and we have a $1 digital coupon. Picked up one of the Febreze air sprays, Gain scented. They only had one. Priced at $3, and we have a $1 off of one Febreze coupon. The Swiffer is priced at $5. As you guys can see, it does say Gain. It has to be Gain. That way it will attach to the 5 off of 20. We have a $1 coupon off of that. Now, to get me to my $25 total, because that was $20 in Gain. So to get me to $25, I did pick up the Cottonelle 12 count at $5, and we have a $1 digital on that. And then for a little overage, you can see we have the Rolaids right there at $1.50, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So before coupons, the total comes out to $26.50. So you qualify to use that 5 off of 25 coupon. Type in your phone number. This is an all digital deal. And then after all of the savings, your final cost is just $8.50. Now, if your store is out of the Rolaids, or if you don't have that coupon, or whatever the case may be, get everything else. Your total is going to be exactly $25. Type in your phone number, and then once everything is applied, your total will be just 50 cents more at $9, which still is amazing. Picking up all these Gain products as well as some paper products. All right, you guys, so I am back in the car. We're going to go over the receipts. Yes, I know it's a little different, but that was just best. I feel like recording takes a little more time. So I literally just had to go in there and just grab some things, especially since this store stock is completely different. This inventory at this store is completely different than the inventory at the store that I did my scenario video yesterday. They literally had everything I needed. So I don't know if I'm going to go there. It's kind of out the way. Anyway, so the first transaction I did, I picked up the Snuggle. So this is with these Snuggle sheets at $2.25. Remember, ring those up first so that $1.25 coupon will attach. You can see it right there. The two Snuggles, so you know, regular price they're $5, but they're on sale 2 for $9. So the calculations is correct with the store discounts. But you can see the 4 off of 2 digital. The Febreze. Now actually there was something weird, funky happened to this with this transaction. So you see I picked up 2 of the small spaces at $3. The $1 off Febreze air care, it came off of here. I didn't realize that until the very end. And then the power wash at $3.95, and you can see the $3.99 coupon. Now my total is $1 cheaper than I planned. I put in my number, everything happened, and then I handed over the BOGO coupon for the small spaces. It wouldn't scan. I didn't know why. I mean, now looking at the receipt, I see why. It's because that $1 coupon did attach. So technically, I didn't have 2 products for that BOGO coupon to attach to. But at the time, I didn't know. So she was scanning. She was wondering why I said it wasn't scanning. She checked my product. She was like, well, you bought the 2. And then she manually put it in. I didn't even know that was a thing, y'all. But you can see at the very end, the manufacturer coupon, she did punch in $3. So my total was $1 cheaper at $6.91. Your total would be $7.91 if you didn't have that coupon, because not everyone's going to punch that in and realize, you know, so that was just pure luck, y'all. That normally doesn't happen. So I did get an extra $1 in savings. And then it wasn't until after this transaction that I noticed that they had Rolaids. So if your store has the Rolaids, you can add that into your transaction, and it will be just 50 cents more than what this shows right here. So either way, it's still an amazing deal for some Snuggle and some Dawn. So I'm really excited about this transaction. And let's go into my second transaction. So my second transaction, I did a Gain deal. This is when I realized that they had Rolaids. I wasn't even thinking about the Rolaids. So I picked up $20 worth of Gain products. So I picked up a product at $4.50. You can see the $1 digital coming off. A product at $7.50. You can see that $2 digital coming off. I picked up the Swiffer. I'm so glad they had this one Swiffer, y'all, because if not, I wouldn't have been able to do a Gain deal at all. They didn't have any, like, I think they had maybe one spray. I don't know, but I wouldn't have been able to do a deal, at least a deal that I wanted to do, if they didn't have the Swiffer. So the Swiffer's at $5. There is a $1 coupon that attached. The Rolaids at $1.50. We have a $2 digital giving me 50 cents in overage. Febreze Air and Gain, that was $3, and I had a $1 coupon because there was only one of them. And then to get my total to $25, I did pick up Cottonelle at $5, and there's a $1 digital. So all of my coupons came off the way it was supposed to. The 5 off of 20, the 5 off of 25. They both stacked. Leaving my subtotal to be $8.50 like I planned, with a total savings of $18. So $8.50, y'all, that's like $1 more than picking up the Gain laundry detergent at $7.50 and getting all of these items for free. I am so excited about this transaction, y'all, because I really didn't think I was going to make a Gain deal here at this store, but nevertheless I did, and I'm excited. And then of course I have one more transaction. So this last transaction, I wanted to pick up some Tide and of course some Snuggle. I really love Snuggle, and then a lot of people buy Snuggle for me, so this is amazing. So I did the Snuggle sheets again at $2.25 with a $1.25 coupon, making sure it goes first. The Tide at $9.95, and you can see that $2 digital. The Crest at $4 with that $2 digital. The Rolaids at $1.50 with the $2 digital, and then the Snuggle again with the $4 digital coupon. Subtotal came out to $10.45 like I planned. I had a total savings of $17.25. If you don't have the Rolaids, like if your store doesn't have the Rolaids, then your total will be 50 cents more at $10.95, which I think is still a pretty decent deal. I'm picking up the Tide because it's $9.95, so $1 more, and you're getting all of the other Snuggle, y'all. I have no complaints. Let me know how you feel, y'all. I don't think I'm going to Family Dollar this time. I'm gonna skip out because I do, like I said, have other couponing and things to do today. So I don't know, I'm gonna skip out on Family Dollar this week, but I hope you guys score and get everything you need at either Family Dollar or Dollar General. But let me know how you feel. That's all I have, y'all. I love y'all, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, y'all, as well as give this video a huge thumbs up. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.